In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change password on Instagram if you forgot it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do first is open up Instagram. And if you're on the login screen, just skip the next step. But essentially, if you are logged into like an alt account, for example, or even on your main account, you need to just tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines up in the top right corner. And this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. We need to select Account Center. You then need to just go down on here until you see password and security. Open this up and you're going to see a change password option. Go ahead and select that. Select your Instagram account and then go ahead and enter in your current password if you do know it. If you don't know it, hit forgot password. And then of course, it's going to send you a text or an email to whatever email or phone numbers associated with the account. Go ahead and go over to that email, create a new password from there. If you're just on the login screen, just hit forgot your password and it will do the exact same thing. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.